Choose a calm day for install. Unroll your pole zip and lay it image up on the ground. Unfold the support rods to make long rods. Each pole zip requires 2 support rods, one for each side of the pole zip. Locate the slits on the inside of the pole zip near the bottom. Insert the support rod until it reaches the top. Then finish inserting the bottom of the support rod so it is completely inside the pocket. Do the same for the right side. Fold pole zip in half and pick up at the middle by the zipper. With 2 hands on each end by the zipper, wrap the pole zip around the pole. If windy, make sure you're downwind. Once you determine where you want your pole zip on the pole, secure the Velcro tension strap at the bottom. Make sure you pull the strap tightly around and secure with the Velcro strap. Now start your zipper. Extend your extension hook to the desirable length, insert it through the zipper ring, and zip up slowly. Remove hook after zipping to the top. And that's it! Your pole zip is installed. XL and XXL foam installation. Take one of the foam pieces and position it onto the pole. Make sure it's pushed all the way on the pole. Push the foam up the pole and repeat with the next piece so it looks like this. Once all the foam is on the pole, refer to pole zip instructions. Depending on your length of pole, you might have 2 to 4 pieces of foam to attach to your pole. When finished with your pole zip campaign, simply zip it down from the pole, unhook the tension strap, fold it, and place it into a plastic bag or box for easy storage. If you are removing the foam, use your extension hook to grab the top of the foam and pull down gently until you can reach it with both hands. Gently pull the foam off the pole and store indoors away from sunlight. 360-degree advertising, wind-resistant design, easy installation, and affordable. Thank you for choosing PoleZips and taking outdoor advertising to a new level.